Success is not an easy road. The road to success is really not easy. Guys, I've been grinding this market 2 years now. Then I imagined a lot that by 2 years I would have become a millionaire, big boy in the market. But in reality, look at me today, doing 9 to 5 in order to do what balance my trading. Do I love what I'm doing right now? I can't say I don't love doing 9 to 5, but what do I have to do? I need to enjoy the process. This is life. Every new day in my life, I always thank God because every new day comes with new opportunity. That's why becoming a profitable trader, you need to always show up in the market. Even if the market beats you today, beats you tomorrow, beats you the week, come back and show up the market. One day you will beat the market. If you keep running away from your problems will hit you up. That's why I'll always show in the market, irrespective of the losing streak or the winning streak. I'll always show in the market. Guys, it's not going to be easy. That's why I give kudos to those profitable traders out there. I hope to join you guys soon. That's why I'm not going to stop. I'll keep on grinding till I get to the top. If you are out there and you are having issues in trading or anything in your life, just know that one day your day will come. Guys, don't give up. I will not give up. What's up, fam? It's your guy Franklin. You understand? This is another day in my life as a forex trader, working forex trader. Guys, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification in order to get notified when I post content like this. I really thank God for a new day like this. It's really not easy. It's another opportunity for us today. So guys, like you guys know, I share my day in life activities for everyone. You understand? So guys, do I have much? Yes, I have much today. So I'm going to take you guys around about my daily activities. So without wasting any time, let's go. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Right now I'm seeing my opportunity playing out here. Like you guys, the OGs know that I trade the EURUSD alone, just one pair, and I trade the 1 minute to 5 minute time frame. It doesn't mean I don't look at the higher time frame, but I mostly trade on these time frames. You understand? So guys, look at what I'm seeing right here on my chart. If I on the London session indicator, like you guys know, I trade the London session. I don't know, network is going. I trade the London session and the New York section. You understand? So this thick blue side shows the beginning of the London session, my time GMT +1, which is 9 AM GMT +1. You get the point? So, and that's what I trade. You understand? So anything after that, that's when I trade the market. So coming to the chart, like you can see, the market was making series of lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, breaking. But at this point, the market did this low, the market sharply broke the low, but it wasn't a break of structure, but rather a liquidity grab, because this liquidity here, this candlestick has a long wick, which means it grabbed liquidity for those that are willing to buy from here or sell the breakout. If you have watched my previous video, you understood what I mean by this. So this was a liquidity grab, and the market did broke structure here, this lower high. It broke the structure, this lower high. So here signifies my first break of structure. Now after that first break of structure, I'm gonna write it there. Use BOS. So that was the first break of structure, you understand? So what I saw again, and also the market, after breaking this structure, the market came back to do mitigate this other block. This candlestick turned to be other block, because it led to the break of structure, this lower high break of structure. So the market came back. When it got to this point, it came back to do mitigate this other block, because this other block has a lot of imbalance. So market came back to fill in the imbalance and they mitigate this other block, and did when it did that, what then happened? It broke this higher high. if you have watched my previous video, my market structure, you understood that this point here is a higher high. The market did what, mitigated this order block and broke the what, the higher high, which is the what, which signifies as what, the second what, break of structure. You get, this is the second break of structure. If I clone this, second break of structure. So guys, remember what I do, I wait for what, 2 breaks of structure. Now I now have 2 break of structure, but the first break of structure led to the mitigation, leaves us behind what, invalidation point. So this was the mitigation point, and when the mitigation has occurred, it leaves behind me what, leaves behind invalidation point. So I'll mark that as what, red. So here is my invalidation point. This is INV. So what then do? I will now look for the order block that led to the what, to the second what, break of structure. Now before I do that, if I take my Fibonacci 2 from the what, the higher low to the what, higher high, then I want to, because what I do, I look for confluences, you understand. This order block here, this candle, this order block here, because it turns to order block because it led to what, break of structure. So this order block here has what, lies in between the 70.5 fib level and 79.00% fib level, you understand. So this order block has a what, high probability what, order block, is a what, high probability order block. So now what then do I look for? The confluence as aligned. What then do I look for? Let me know if this order block has what, imbalance. Now we can see that this order block here has a little bit of imbalance around here, a little bit of imbalance. I can call that imbalance. Yes, a little bit of imbalance around here, this point. So I'm expecting price to come back to this what, to this order block in order for me to get into the trade with my what, entry confirmation. But right now price is doing what, is reacting to this what, imbalance here. I don't trade fair value lookup, I just use it as a confluence. I'm not going to take trade here, no. I'll wait for price to come back to this what, order block here. Now if I mark this order block, it will look something like this. This order block, yeah, this whole order block. So here turns to be what, my what, POI. So this is what I am watching out, guys, and I'll wait for price to come back to this what, zone, in order for me to what, to enter the trade. If I measure this order block, this zone is there about what, 4 pip range. It's a range of 4 pip, which is good for me because I don't trade in a range that is above what, 5 pips, you understand. So 4 pip is a good range for me. But do you know that I can also refine this order block to this week? So whichever one that plays out, you understand, I'll also wait for price to come to this week. If price does not, I'll take from this whole range. But this is a what, a refined zone, the week. So whichever, this is the main thing here is I am waiting for price to do what, to come back to this what, to this zone. Sorry for the call. I'm waiting for price to come to this my what, my POI, because this is the other block that led to the second break option before I can what, enter the trade. So guys, without wasting much of the time, if the trade plays out, I'll update you guys. But before I go, I will do what, on my alert, because that is what will get me notified when price is approaching or touching the wall. What's up, guys? Long before I make the record, I told you guys that I'm willing to do what, buy from this point of interest, which is this zone here. And I waited for price to come back to that zone, and you can see I heeded what has happened in the future already. But let me now show you what then happened after the first record. So guys, you see price came into the what, into the zone and reacted as planned. You can see where the market is currently right now. The market came into that zone I called out before and it reacted. Did I get my entry model? Yes, I got my entry model, but price did not come to pick my limit and they left me behind. So it is what it is. You win some. Sorry, there was a distraction there. Someone came into the office. So like I was saying, this price came into the what, the order block like I marked before and reacted perfectly. You can see, did I get my entry? Yes, I got my entry model, but price did not come back to what, to take my limit order. It is what it is. You win some, you lose some, you miss trades. This is my strategy, the way I've refined it and everything. I've optimized it. I don't get much trades. You get the point. I tend to miss trades, but when I get trades, I get it. It goes into my favor very well. Not all the time, but most of the time. You get the point. So guys, that is that for that. You can see if you take your entries like this just without confirmation, like I do, I miss for confirmation, it would have been a win for you, you know, placing your limit on this other block and targeting maybe 1:3 or whichever you want to do your target. But let's say you're targeting the next eye, this eye here, you would have smacked and hit TP, and this would have been 3.88 RR. You get the point. So guys, that is that, and this would have been a beautiful trade for you during the London session, like you can see here. But guys, market did not take my limit in order, so I missed this trade. No trade for me yet, so it is what it is. If we get into the New York session, if I get opportunities, I'll let you guys know. So guys, if you like this content, please do what, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification in order to get notified of this educational concept. Catch you up in the next slide. Okay, like I said, if I get new opportunity in the New Year session, I'll let you guys know. So guys, another opportunity, I saw my setup on 15-minute time frame. You get the point. So like you can see here, price did what, break structure, break this high, came back to mitigate this other block and broke this structure again. So two break of structures, and then this is the other block that led to the what, to the second break of structure. So this is my what, point of interest, which is the POI. So if I write this, if I put everything down, so this is BOS, first BOS, then I clone this, second BOS, then this is point of invalidation, INV. So and this is my POI. So guys, I'll be waiting. Let's see how price react from this POI. If I get my entry model, I'll enter the trade and I'll update you guys. Catch you up, guys. What's up, guys? Yeah, like I said in the previous record, I said we'll wait for price to react to this in this POI, and guys, price has done its reaction. So let me show you guys. I was waiting for price, like I said before. So let me show you guys what price did. Guys, I saw my entry model on this POI. What happened, I don't know. Price came to take me out and went to my what direction. Very painful though, very painful, but I don't have control over the market. You get the point. My money cannot control the market, neither your money can control the market. So whatever the price, whatever the market does to you, you need to take responsibility and do what, come back the next day and also execute the same thing. I really don't know why price took me out. So this is on the 15-minute time frame, like I showed you. So if I go on the 1-minute time frame, it wasn't on the 1-minute time frame that I executed the trade though. No, it wasn't, but it was on my 15 seconds. So I saw when price came into this POI, I saw my entry model inside of the POI. I saw my entry model around here, which I took the price. I took my entry around 1.0550. That was where I took my entry. You understand? With you guys, the OG knows that I use what, 2 pip stop loss. Like you can see, I use 2 pip stop loss. I don't use anything above, or what I can use anything below, but I mostly use 2 pip stop loss. You get the point. So guys, after seeing my entry model, price took me in, went to my favor, there about 6 pips, and all of a sudden came back to stop me out. I don't know why, but it is what it is, and finally went to my what direction. Look at the trade. Would have hit my TP. This trade will still plunk to take out this high, but if I was in a trade, I would have taken my TP around 1:10. You guys know that is 20 pips. I would have hit TP, but it is what it is, guys. Price stopped me out, and also when price stopped me out, you understand, I saw something else here again that got my attention. When price took out this high here, this high, price took out this high, I marked out this other block that led to the break of structure, and waited for price to do what, to come back to that
on that block, and price actually did that. I went on my lower time frame to 15 seconds to execute my entry. I saw my entry model, but price did not come back to pick me in and went further. So today is just missed trades. I missed 2 trades and lost 1. You get it? This is New Year section playing out. This is the New Year section. So this is the New Year session. I don't know what's wrong with network. So guys, that was how the trade for today. Yeah, this is the New Year section. This was how trade today played out. 2 missed trade and 1 loss. So guys, this is the journey of becoming a profitable trader. If you cannot take this thing, if you cannot expect this thing in the market, then we are not ready to trade. Forex is not for the weak. So guys, like I said, I'm still gonna update you on my activities. So catch you up.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Guys, that was how my day went. I just finished playing ball today. Every Thursday we play ball in our company. All the guys come together and play ball. So I just finished playing ball. I'm very tired. Very tired. I'm a football lover. I love playing ball. I also love watching football. My club is Manchester United, and I have a match today. I'm gonna watch it. So guys, if you like this content, please subscribe. I'll catch you up in the next video. See you.